Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cherry from Cherry Beauty Step. Hello everyone, I hope you're fine, you're good and healthy. And for today, since it's a month of June, is wedding bell. Wedding bell. Yes, a lot of people wanted to be um wed in the month of June. So I'm thinking maybe I'm gonna do a different like bride tutorials, very simple. So if you're in a budget and you want to do your own makeup, so yeah. And for today, I'm thinking I'm gonna do a garden wedding, and yeah, I will try my very best that it's gonna be a simple. So let's dive in. So if you're planning to do a garden wedding, of course, it's June is very hot. It's summer, it's start of the summer. Make sure you have, if you want to do your own makeup, make sure you have a good eye primer, and I'm using a soft ochre MAC paint pot, which is I already have it. And everything is, if you want your makeup to last longer, how try it to like practice your makeup first. Use like waterproof any makeup, eyeshadow that is last longer and have a good pigment. And yeah, especially like face primer, we have a different texture. Know your texture. If you're oily skin, a dry skin, or a combination skin, so make sure that you know your skin type. And of course, for me, my no pore problem is always, that's my ride or die primer. And I will show you first all the makeup I'm gonna use, so later I'm not gonna talk. So yeah, we have the eye primer, face primer, and also a good concealer. And I plan to use the Maybelline Age Rewind, and also the Too Faced, because Too Faced have a sheer finish, and the Age Rewind, I'm planning this just to put here under my eyes, and this one to brighten up my face. And for today, I will also use the Anastasia Subculture. Yes, Anastasia Subculture. And of course, I will show you what eyeshadow I will use. And for contour, I will use Becca from the Low Light Highlight. I've been using this in my channel, but if you're new, yes, that's one of my favorite. I'm gonna use that as my contour. And before I will use my contour, cream bronzer is also good if you want your contour to last long. And I'm gonna use the Tristic. Like, you use cream bronzer first and then put the powder on the top. It's gonna be a long lasting contour. And I'm thinking use Murphy for the blush. This is Spirit for the blush. And what else? For the lips, I will use Huda Beauty Liquid Matte, because this is long lasting for me. So yeah, let's start. Okay, for eyeshadow, I'm gonna use Roxy, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. And for today, I will use only two eyeshadows, so only the Roxy and then the other one. So just put all over your eyelid, all over the eyelid. And yeah, garden wedding is like, you're in nature. So I'm thinking about doing like bright eyeshadow, but this Roxy is a little bit pitchy. So if you put them like light application of the eyeshadow, it's peachy. But if you put a lot of layer, it's gonna be like dark peach. So yeah. Okay, so eyeshadow is done. Well, eyeshadow is done, not it done, but that is the Roxy. And I just here like halfway out outer V is like, it looks like this different color, but they're the same. I just pack more here in the outer V and just lightly s- spread and the Roxy eyeshadow. Now I will spray my brush and I will dip it to electric. This is electric, and this one has, it's like a glitter a glitter. It's a sheer glitter eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna put that in the inner corner towards middle. So yeah. Ooh, look at that. This one, electric, is like gold yellow. So yeah. Yeah, you can see it. It's so beautiful. Like, oh my goodness. This eyeshadow is beautiful. And this is my takeaway for our garden wedding. So, yeah, I hope you like it. It's like I am so happy. I know maybe if my flower is a little bit like bright, I have a lot of green, and I think it's perfect. But this is all I got right now. So, I hope you like it, and I hope you learn something new today. And yeah, let me know down in the comment below if you are single, what kind of wedding are you interested. um I'm thinking about doing different series of weddings since it's June. I'm thinking about maybe like a church or a beach. So let me know down comment down below, what do you want me to do next for our wedding, um for our wedding series. So yeah, thank you for watching, and always remember. Oh, by the way, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And always remember that there's always someone who loves you. Shalom, guys.